Welcome back to our channel where we expose the hidden truths about everyday items. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the world of food, specifically those everyday items that may not be as innocent as they seem. We'll be exploring some popular foods and beverages, uncovering the harmful ingredients they contain, and discussing the potential health risks associated with them. From diet soda to hot dogs, processed cheese to salad dressings, and even seemingly innocent children's yogurt cups, we're uncovering the silent culprits in your kitchen. So, get ready to rethink your grocery list as we delve into the foods that kill. Up next, the truth about diet soda. Kicking off with diet soda. Portrayed as a healthier substitute, these beverages are typically loaded with artificial sweeteners that have been associated with diverse health complications. An interesting fact to note is that diet soda often includes an ingredient known as aspartame, a substance that can potentially cause headaches, dizziness, and memory loss. Now let's turn our attention to hot dogs. These crowd-pleasing snacks might evoke fond reminiscences of summer barbecues and thrilling ball games. However, it's essential to note that hot dogs are often loaded with nitrates and nitrites, chemicals which have been linked to a variety of health issues. Additionally, frequent consumption could potentially increase these health risks. Next, we delve into American processed cheese, a staple in many households, yet it comes with its own set of health concerns. An often overlooked fact about American processed cheese is that it frequently contains additives and emulsifiers that are not found in natural cheese. These additives may have negative effects on health, further adding to the concern. Now, let's turn our attention to commercial salad dressings. Salads are frequently viewed as a healthy option, but the dressing applied can significantly alter their health benefits. An important fact to note here is that commercial salad dressings are often packed with high amounts of sodium and unhealthy fats. This can potentially negate the health benefits of the salad itself, and thus should be used sparingly or avoided when possible. Next in line are pre-packaged cakes and pies. While these sweet treats are a delight to the taste buds, they may carry potential health consequences. Firstly, they have a high sugar content that can lead to obesity and dental issues in children. Secondly, they contain artificial preservatives and colors that can cause allergies and other health problems in children. Therefore, despite their tantalizing taste, these pre-packaged goodies might not be the best choice for our young ones. Jelly candies, a delight for many, might however pack more mischief than magic. Did you know that these sweet indulgences often contain high amounts of sugar? This could pave the way for health issues such as obesity and tooth decay. Moreover, they may be loaded with artificial colors and flavors that could potentially trigger allergic reactions in some individuals. Not to mention, jelly candies are quite the nutritional villains. They offer empty calories, giving you absolutely no beneficial nutrients in return. So, are jelly candies more of a trick than a treat? Instant ramen, a go-to for those in need of a quick meal. However, these convenient noodles might not be the healthiest choice. High sodium content is one major downside. Instant ramen noodles often contain a high amount of sodium. This can lead to high blood pressure and heart diseases. Furthermore, they are often deficient in important nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals, making them a less nutritious choice for a meal. We then have children's yogurt cups. They seem like a healthy snack option, but there could be some hidden dangers lurking beneath that colorful packaging. Firstly, despite being enticingly colorful, these yogurt cups can be deceivingly high in saturated fats. This not only contributes to weight gain, but can also lead to heart disease and other health problems in the long run. Secondly, despite being marketed as a healthy snack, many children's yogurt cups lack real nutritional value. They often contain low levels of protein and are high in sugar, providing empty calories instead of the necessary nutrients a growing child needs. Peanut butter, a common fixture in many kitchens. However, caution is advised as peanut butter varieties are not all the same. It's crucial to note that not all peanut butter is detrimental to health. Nonetheless, certain types may contain unhealthy additives or excessive sugar amounts, which can be harmful. The key lies in choosing natural, unsweetened peanut butter, which provides a healthier alternative. So, choose wisely and enjoy this delightful spread in its most wholesome form. Lastly, we investigate the nitty-gritty of corn syrup. This ingredient marks its presence in an array of processed foods, and its ubiquity is cause for concern in terms of health effects. Consequently, it becomes all the more important to navigate the reasons to avoid corn syrup. First off, high fructose corn syrup, a derivative of corn syrup, holds a notorious reputation for its alleged association with obesity and diabetes. Secondly, its consumption paves the way for an escalated risk of heart disease. This is a considerable concern given the prevalence of heart-related ailments in recent times. Another compelling reason to avoid corn syrup is that HFCS is a common component in heavily processed foods. These foods, by default, are inherently unhealthy due to their low nutritional value and high sodium and sugar content. Lastly, a diet high in corn syrup can be a recipe for non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This condition has seen a worrying increase in recent years, making it imperative to be cautious about corn syrup consumption. And there you have it, a closer look at everyday foods that may carry hidden health risks. Remember, awareness is the first step to making healthier choices. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay informed, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.